Namaste. In this video, I am going to talk about different types of cam and follower mechanism in SolidWorks. So here you will see a knife edge follower mechanism. So when I click on play, you will see that it is rotating. Okay. Now a question arises where this kind of follower is cam and follower is used. As you can see, it is a pointing edge, so it produces a great amount of stress and it will damage the cam surface. Due to that, it is used only where the pressure is less and small space. That is the reason you will see knife edge follower very less in real life. Remember, a knife edge follower produces very high stress on the surface that will cause a damage to the cam surface. Okay, so now let's see the next one. So the next one is the spherical or mushroom type cam and follower. So this basically used in the car mechanism. Okay, car cam and shaft. So here you can see. So a question arises, what is special about it? So because of its surface that is spherical, it produces less stress and strain on this spherical shape, and it will increase the life of a cam as compared to the other profiles. Okay, that is the reason we use spherical cam. Remember, you will see a smooth surface in a real life that is used in car, vehicles, automobiles. Now let's see the another one, that is offset follower mechanism. Okay, so here you can see that the axis of this follower is offset from the axis of the cam. So a question arises, what is the advantage of this? So well, the main advantage of this type of follower is when the follower is ascending or descending, it produces less stress as compared to the other. Okay, and due to that reason we use offset cam follower when we want less stress at ascending or descending. Okay, it is the reason that we use the offset follower. Mainly it is used when we want stress below at the ascendance. Okay, that is the reason we use offset cam followers. Now the other one is flat faced follower. So a question arises, what is the difference between a flat faced follower and a spherical face follower? A flat face follower can also be used where spherical face follower is used, but a flat face follower produces more stress as compared to the spherical face follower. So flat face follower produce more stress and strain as compared to the spherical face follower, and it is used when the pressure is low on the follower. Now the last one is roller follower. So the advantage of roller follower is here that the roller is also rotating, and due to that it producing a rotating as well as a sliding motion. Now now the last one is roller follower. So the advantage of roller follower is that because of the rotation and sliding, it produces less stress strain as compared to the others, and it is useful where you want less friction. A roller follower used where the space is high, okay, not where the space is low. And I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure you ask in comments. I have provided a description or a link of the blog where you can read about their applications, advantages and disadvantages. So make sure you check it out. And there are other cool videos on my channel, so make sure you also check them out. You will going to learn a lot. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.